Hello, in this video, I will show you 3 potential fixes for Kenmore Elite Dryer's push to start function failures. Okay, this is a dryer we got a problem. Whenever we push anywhere, we start with left. Okay, stop. No matter which section. Okay, material you may need: push to start switch, motor power relay, and maybe the twisted electrical wire connector. Here are steps to fix the issue. Open the control panel first. Depending on what kind of dryer you have, it may be a little bit difficult. The first attempt to fix the issue should be replace the push to start switch. Just to unplug and plug back in the wire. If after you replace the switch didn't solve the problem, just proceed to next step. Okay, the second attempt is replace the motor relay. Okay, put it back. If the dryer still won't start after replace the motor relay, move to the final step. And that will be bypass the push to start switch. As a last result, you can bypass the push to start switch. Okay, just bypass the switch, connected the 2 wires together. And bypass the push to start switch. Made my dryer works. Timer dryer. And then we go to the circle. However, to be aware, with this fix, the dryer will start whenever the timer is on. Hopefully you can fix your dryer before you need to bypass the switch. Thank you for watching.